Hello friend, welcome to my channel Tutorial Hub. Today we talk about the AWS server SSL certification. So let's open my this is my site. For now they already have SSL certification here. I'll do one more thing. I can delete my all the configuration file here and start from the beginning. So I can delete this one and I can delete all the setting from there. Delete. Okay, so whenever you can configure your domain with the AWS, so this setting will come in at the same time whenever we have. And so now I go to the EC2. Okay, so this is the instance where you can whenever you can create the your AWS account and you have different type of packages. Right now I'm using a micro package. Okay, so first of all you have to do one more thing. This is the public DNS and this is the IP. This IP we already used to configure your, like, well, if you don't have a domain, so you can use this IP as a domain. Like if I can put it down directly to my URL, so it work. Right now it's not good because I'm just changing some file. So whenever I come up with the read mode HTML, it work. Okay. So first of all, I just noted down some points, so you just need to know about it. First of all, you can create a elastic IP, a very simple step. So I can note it down here as well. Step first, step first, create, step first, create elastic IP for your uh, for your current instance. So that would be very easy to accessible for IP purposes. So because the version 4 for the address, so that would be helpful to us. Okay, so first we just the very simple step, just click on allow to IP and select the pole and click on allow. Okay, so that will be up when you allow this elastic IP. That time your EC2 instance IP going to change. For now the current IP is 3.13.125.162. Whenever I can create elastic IP, that will be changed. Okay, this is first step. Second step, you need to create a target group. Target group I already have. I right now I'm just going to delete it and delete. Okay, target group I already used, so I just go to, okay, give me a second. I can delete all my configures. I can delete this one and delete as well. Okay, now I delete it. Okay, also I'm just telling you one more thing. The security group, is most important whenever you can allow any port, any IP, any another thing as well. So I go to the security group. This is the security group we will apply for my current instance. Okay, so now I just do allow for the custom TCP, HTTP, custom SSH and all kind of things. I just doing multiple time and HTTPS as well. This is an inbound rule, and outbound rule the same thing like HTTPS, all TCP and all traffic and HTTPS as well. Okay, this is setting for the uh, uh, security group. Okay, let's go to the next step. So talk about, we go to the target group. Okay, So now I create a new target group.